Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. I'm okay as well. So today I want to step out and have some work done, but before I go out I just want to take a moment and sit down and write whatever I want to do today. Nowadays I have a tendency of forgetting, especially if I move out with a list of things in my head that I want to do. I only remember that I've not done something very important yet. I'm already back home. So I want to take that document to be signed, and then I also want to go and pick up my monthly report from the workplace and submit it on email to my bosses, and then I will have to move out to the community. I'll be going for an outreach in a certain primary school in our local community. I hope I'll be able to do some short videos and share my day with you. This is how casual I am today. I really can't tell what happened to my neck. I don't know what this could be, but I think it's just an allergic reaction. My skin could have reacted to something because I don't remember putting on any jewelry, but I remember getting this kind of sensation after putting on a certain dress of mine. Yeah, actually it was a top. When I wore it, I got this reaction, and yet it has been a cloth that I've worn before and I didn't experience this. You can see. But I'm just suspicious maybe it could be detergent that I used for washing. Maybe. I really can't tell. But today I just want to move out and buy some tube or cream and apply here to desensitize my skin. So this is my today's to-do list. I have signing a radio talk show document, sending a monthly report, and buying a cream for my neck rash. I have to go for the outreach and also have to complete a bed transaction. I'm buying a bed, but I'm just waiting for a feedback from the carpenter, because he has to send to me some pictures of the bed that he wants to make for me before I put in the transaction, and I agreed with him that that has to be done today. So, and then lastly, I want to make sure today I pay the electricity bill for the shop. Just checking the chicken before I go. I have some chicks, so these ones are just in their third week. Some of them over there, they are doing well. Okay. Check the ones down. Yeah, these ones are just making 1 week on Thursday. So what is that? They're also okay. have already reached the school. It was a bit a long journey, but we are here. I'm at the head teacher's office. You can see here the lighting is not good in this room. This is a primary school, and I'm now going to start screening the children for eye problems. So if I manage to shoot some videos for you, I will do so, because there's a lot to be done during the screening. I'm back from the field. Yeah. Now that I've bought a cream for myself to put on my neck, I just want to take a shower and then come and apply the cream on my neck, and then I also want to eat something. I'm also a bit tired, but I think I should first take a shower and then eat and take a rest. Okay. I'm using the Dove shower gel in this Dior soap. This is Dior bathing soap. It's the one that I'm going to use for bathing. I've finished taking my bath, and I now want to apply the cream that I bought on my rash here. Yeah, this is the look that I have for the evening, and I feel better now. I feel fresh. Yeah, I feel good. You know, once in a while you just have to be you, and that is what I'm doing nowadays for myself, just being me and enjoying my life. So let me go and apply my cream. is my sunscreen. I'm using the Kiss Beauty sunscreen. It's SPF 90. So I'm coming. Just my Vaseline that I use on my lips. This is what I had for my lunch: meat, greens, and millet bread. By this time of the evening, I'll be making our dinner. We are going to have fish for dinner, and probably I just want to do it fast and take a rest. I'm a bit very tired today, so I will not be able to shoot the video when I'm cooking the dinner, but next time I will do it. Just bear with me. If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. Join this community by subscribing, and also leave me a comment in the comment section below so that I can know that you watched this video